This bell pepper plant has given me fresh, crunchy peppers for 3 years straight, season after season. Today I'll show you 7 simple, science-backed steps to turn your pepper plants into perennial powerhouses, starting with a promise: put down the shovel. Rule 1. Never dig up the soil around your pepper plant. Beneath the surface is a living network, roots, fungi, and bacteria working together. Digging destroys this underground city, forcing your plant to waste energy rebuilding. By leaving the soil undisturbed, you preserve this support system year after year. Your plant starts each spring strong, ready to produce. Think of it as building a permanent home for your peppers, not a temporary tent. Don't feed your plant. Feed the soil. Skip chemical fertilizers. Instead, add compost or shredded leaves on top. This feeds the microbes, which break down organic matter and release nutrients steadily. Your plant gets a constant, balanced supply, no more boom and bust growth. Healthy soil means a self-sustaining, resilient pepper plant. Never leave your soil bare. Mulch with straw, leaves, or wood chips to protect the soil. Mulch keeps roots cool, locks in moisture, and prevents erosion. It also feeds the soil as it breaks down. Covered soil means less stress and more peppers. It's a simple step with huge results. Harvest peppers frequently, even when they're still green. This keeps the plant producing instead of shutting down after making seeds. Pick a few peppers every few days to keep the plant in production mode. Gentle, regular harvesting extends your harvest all season and beyond. Don't drown your peppers. Roots need air as much as water. Overwatering suffocates roots and causes rot. Our no-dig mulched soil holds moisture but stays airy. Let the soil dry slightly between waterings. Healthy roots mean a thriving, long-lived plant. Prune to direct energy, not for looks. Remove weak, crowded, or yellowing branches and leaves. This frees up energy for strong growth and more fruit. Prune monthly to keep the plant focused on producing peppers. Smart pruning equals bigger, better harvests. Peppers are perennials in warm climates. Let's help them survive winter. Before frost, pile mulch thickly around the base. Cut back on watering and let the plant go dormant. In harsh winters, add a frost blanket or cover. Come spring, your established plant will explode with growth. Protect, don't replace. For years of harvests. The secret isn't magic. It's working with soil biology, not against it. No digging. Feed the soil, keep it covered, harvest smart, prune wisely, and protect in winter. This approach means healthier plants, less work, and way more peppers. Apply these principles to your whole garden for better results everywhere. Like, share, and subscribe to Dirt Decoded for more soil science made simple. Thanks for watching. See you next time.